Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to start using Evernote. So first of all, you need to download the Evernote app in your Play Store or from your App Store. Now first step is to just open let's launch the app. Okay, it's first time I'm installing this. So I have launched the app and it's taking time to load. Okay, so here we can see the Evernote has been loaded, and we can see several options like the email, sign in with Google, and sign in with Apple. So choose your preference. Well, I would like to sign in with Google, so I will click on the Google option. Now it's asking me for the permission. I will yes, say yes. Okay, now I have to log in. Now since it was saved, it already logged in pretty fast, but you might have to log in again with your password and your ID. So I think it's taking time to load. Now let's wait. Okay, I don't want to buy anything right now. So welcome to Evernote. Now this is how you log in the Evernote app. Let's get you set up. Okay, after this you have to set up some things. Never miss a reminder. Okay, I will do that. Remind me later. No, don't turn on. What brings you to Evernote? Okay, my homework. I've clicked on this homework. Great. What do you want to get done? Choose one for now. I want to get organized because I want to make a new timetable. Okay. Then, okay, try personal. No, I don't want to try. Okay, learn at your own pace. Okay, so this is the main user interface. It has opened now, and here you can see all the availables or the videos that you need to know. So this was it for this tutorial, and here you learned how to start using Evernote.